Here's a winter weather statement for the following counties: Adams, Cumberland, Dauphin, Lancaster, Lebanon, Perry, and York. Winter storm warning in effect from 10 p.m. Saturday to 1 p.m. Monday. What? Heavy snow expected. Total snow accumulations between 10 and 18 inches. Where? A portion of south-central Pennsylvania. When? From 10 p.m. Saturday to 1 p.m. Monday. Impacts: travel could be very difficult to impossible. Widespread and prolonged travel disruptions are expected. Additional details: snow will overspread the area late Saturday evening into Saturday night, becoming heavy at times through Sunday with accumulation rates of 1 to 2 inches per hour at times. Snow may mix with sleet or freezing rain near and south of the Pennsylvania Turnpike on Sunday afternoon, which may cut down on total snow accumulations. Frigid temperatures and wind chills are expected before, during, and after the winter storm. Some blowing and drifting snow is possible. Persons should consider delaying all travel. Motorists should use extreme caution if travel is absolutely necessary. Here is the latest national weather.